Good morning, everyone. Today is December 10. To you is good morning, and to me is good evening. Why I say this good evening? I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Wilhelmina is the extension of the seller. Wilhelmina is the one who handle sales and marketing on behalf of the seller in Africa, Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone. Now, may I remind you, November 25, there was 25 foreigner went to Ghana and they were being arrested. Why they were being arrested? Number one, they think that they can get gold cheap price, and they were been dealing with the local seller. He was being given cheap price, and when the time that they are going to leave the country, they were being surveillance by the government, and they were being arrested. There was a one woman and the rest men. Now, may I remind to all crook, buyers, and smuggler, don't underestimate Africa. Africa government has changed. You wouldn't get the gold cheap price, I'm telling you. I'm gonna base this video from Ghana. If you want to see the video, go on my platform on Facebook. Subscribe and add me on Facebook. You will see all real business. I put everything. I put the procedure on how you're gonna seek your gold in Africa, what necessary requirement that you are going to comply, and what necessary requirement or necessary export documentation the seller will provide you when you take the gold out of the country. Now, we are now on December 10. We are almost end 2025. The price of gold skyrocket. Why you were asking cheap price? You're buying money to make money. You're buying precious mineral, my love. Don't you know? Do you understand what is gold is all about? Gold is the tax heaven. Gold has many uses. I've been mentioning that from video to video. Still, you don't comprehend. Now, this morning, I have a very good discussion with the buyer. I think four of them, one from China, one from United States, and one from Australia, from Sydney, and one from Italy. Right? Because my platform office, my virtual office, open 9 o'clock in the morning until midnight. Now the time here is 7:47 in the evening. So I really work hard for you guys in order to educate. Now there were four potential buyer that he know me. He's been following my YouTube channel, and they come back to me and they tell me sad stories. So I was listening to their sad story, and I told him, I know you. You've been following my YouTube channel because I have a monitor, and you also visited my platform on Facebook. So tell me, how can I help you? So they said that, well, Amina, we traveled to Africa. So what part of Africa you did travel? We went to Ghana, and we were being cheated. Oh, really? And then one Australian from Sydney, he went to Kampala. He said that he was being cheated. I said, oh, the gold in Kampala coming from Congo is smuggled into Kampala. And then the other one went to Mali. He said, oh, I've been to Mali. And they said, oh, Mali is getting strict. I said, correct. Correct. So now, this another potential buyer went to Sierra Leone. And he was being deceived. I said, yes, it's true. So when I was listening to these four buyers that they followed Wilhelmina for many years, what happened? They come back to Wilhelmina. So I asked them, you need to be honest with me because you already saw my video. What did you learn out of my YouTube channel? I want you to summarize and I want to listen why you were being deceived and why you went to Africa and then you were being deceived. Number one, I asked these four buyers that he knows me. I don't want to mention their names because they're gonna be embarrassed. You know, Wilhelmina is really straightforward. So I told them, okay, be honest with me. What did you learn out of my YouTube channel? Wilhelmina, I did read the full corporate offer. Your procedure is really real. I said, oh, really? And why did you say that it's real? You itemize what necessary requirement that the buyer would comply. And I told him, well, you did read, and why did you apply to Ghana and Kampala and Mali and Sierra Leone? What did the seller explain to you? And he said that the seller is very rough. I said, correct. The seller would not explain to you what I did explain on my YouTube channel. The number two, I asked them, okay, you did read the full corporate offer on my YouTube channel and you went to my platform on Facebook. Be honest with me. Did you really comprehend? And he said, yes, Wilhelmina, we did. And then, why you come back to Wilhelmina? Oh, because we were being cheated. Oh, really? You were being cheated? And why did you not plan properly when you apply to Kampala, Nairobi, Ghana, and Mali and Sierra Leone? You know that the government would not give certificate of clearance unless you pay the gold. Before you pay the gold, we need to have a contract. So this buyer did come back today, this morning. They come back to me and begging me, and I told them, relax, don't beg. Because you're not a beggar, you are just crook. I told them, you're just crook. A crook buyers would not beg to Wilhelmina because I don't beg to anyone. So suddenly, and he said, you know, Wilhelmina, I like the way you talk. I said, really? Why you like me the way I talk? And you already watched my video and you didn't comprehend. And then you know what they said? Wilhelmina, this time we are willing to pay your extra service. And we watch your video. It's normal that we have to pay services. I said, of course. And do you think you can help us, Wilhelmina, to secure gold properly? And I told him, yes, provided you need to show me your credential. You already watched my YouTube channel. This is what I have said today. I told him, you already watched my YouTube channel and you went to my platform on Facebook and the price is there because I always update the price every day because the price changes every day. And I told them that we don't give fixed price. Whatever the world market, we can adjust the price. Our selling price lays 5%. However, because you are paying my extra service, I will consider to give you 8%, tax included. Okay? There is tax on every bar. Okay? So I told him, we package it. Okay? 8% tax included, except the shipping cost and insurance. So this poor buyer, they realized that Wilhelmina's explanation, Wilhelmina's video on YouTube was really real. And I told him, oh really? You just realized that my video is real until you were being deceived, until you were being cheated. You lose money, isn't it? So they were really explaining to me and their sad stories. I don't buy your sad stories. Now going back to this 25 foreigner was being arrested the November 25, and I would give you my YouTube, my Facebook platform. Everything is in there. You would not be confused. If you pay attention, you will never confuse, because I put everything, the necessary requirement that you are going to comply. So today, this morning and this afternoon, I ask each one of them, you need to be honest with me. You need to show me your business registration, a copy. And you need to show me your importation license. You need to show me your passport copy. And you need to show me certificate of money laundering. The buyer says, how I'm gonna apply? I said, you can apply that online. Money laundering, meaning to say that when you transfer your payment to the owner of the gold, your money is clean. Your money is not involved on illegal activities. Maybe you're involved in drugs or criminal activities. So you need to have money laundering certificate, because Africa is also a red flag of gold laundering. So you need to have that. This is what my explanation to this buyer, that they know me. They've been following my YouTube channel until today. They come back to Wilhelmina because they need the supply. And I told them, we are the supplier. Wilhelmina is the extension of the seller. Wilhelmina is the one who market on behalf of the seller. This is the way I explained to them. Now they realize, and now they understand. So I asked them simple question. You need to be honest with me. How much money you have in your bank account today? They said, Wilhelmina, we have over $1 million. Okay. So do you have a license to import to your destination? No, Wilhelmina, we are applying our business registration in order to bring to Dubai. Wow. So they were dreaming, thinking they can get gold in Africa to bring in Dubai. They didn't reach the gold to Dubai. There was a German also arrested in Conakry, Guinea. He smuggled gold. To all buyers, do not gamble, do not shorten the journey, and do not hand carry the gold. Because if you hand carry and the document is not complete, and when you check into the airport, then the custom will open it, and export documentation is not complete, then you are gonna be in trouble. Now, I will explain to you one by one. When you buy gold in Mali, right? Mali is tons of gold. I've been to Mali, okay? And Mali's government is very strict. Now, when you hand carry the gold, because it happened when this buyer from Paris 2 years ago, and we give them landing visa for Conakry, and he has a landing visa in Mali. He was being given very cheap price. So I told him, okay, you are going to fly to Mali, and when they stop over in Ghana airport, you know, custom in Ghana are very strict. They're notorious. So when you check in your luggage, okay, the custom officers saw what is that on the box. They were being set aside. They opened the box that was 35 kilos 2 years ago. And he knows me because we sent him the contract and the landing visa, but he did not return the contract. So he went to Mali. Disaster. And then he asked me, well, Amina, do you know someone in Ghana? I said, no. Even though I know, I would not introduce. Why? That particular buyer, he is deceitful. He betrayed himself and he betrayed me, that I don't trust him no more. Mhm. I've given him everything, information, advice. Suddenly, he cut corner because he was being offered during 2 years ago $35,000 per kilo. And I told him, good luck. What happened? He went out from Ghana airport and his gold was being seized. Okay? He traveled with the seller. The seller didn't comply necessary requirement. During the time, 2 years ago, Mali is a member of ECOWAS. So he were being asked the certificate of ECOWAS that the gold is free of illegal activities. Stuck in Ghana, he lost money and the gold didn't arrive in Dubai. This guy that I was talking about 2 years ago, he's a French guy. Yeah, most of you international buyers, your eyes is bigger than a profit. You will get the profit. Don't cut corner. My gosh, you're crook. A minute you cut corner, you're crook. You're a smuggler. What happened? You lost money. Now going back to this buyer that I have spoken today, morning and this afternoon, they really realized that, well, Amina, you're right. And we didn't believe you. Oh, really? You didn't believe me. But you were been watching my video. And why you come just now, December 10, 2025? And he said, Wilhelmina, we cannot find the real seller supplier. And we keep on searching on YouTube and your video pop up into my screen. And I told him, it popped up into your screen. You already watching me from the previous year. And he watched my current video. I think November 29, the video. Now today, this video, I will upload this on my YouTube channel because I'm going to update the price. The procedure are all the same. Now today, the price is ups and down. Now the price of gold today is 4,193.52 per ounce. You multiply that to 32.15 equals 134,858.06. 1 hour ago, the price was 35. So don't bank on it because it fluctuates every day. I can only fix it for you when you confirm your order. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, what is the minimum? Well, it depends on how much capacity you can afford. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. Minimum of 20 or 50 or 100. You have $1,000,000, we have the gold. Now, the last question that I asked them, okay, you watch my video. I want you to be honest with me. What did the video was saying about Wilhelmina's extra service? This poor guy said, Wilhelmina, we understand that every move is money. I said, of course. And we are willing to pay your extra service of $20,000 to accompany us to cover your expenses, your hotel accommodation, miscellaneous expenses. Now I told them, now you realize you lost money, that $20,000 is peanuts. Now you just come back to Wilhelmina because you're hungry of supply. There's a saying, he who has the gold makes the rule. The government is making the rules. Wilhelmina is just expanding. Wilhelmina is just giving you knowledge so that you will not encounter disaster. This is what I told him today. And I told this guy, but I mentioned their names. Believe me, they will be embarrassed. So I would not mention their names. So I told him, now, what is your decision? December 10 already. I told him this morning and this afternoon. So, Wilhelmina, can you travel? I said, not really, because I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going to take a holiday. I would be available February. I'll be back in Australia February 28. So I can be contacted overseas by roaming because my WhatsApp is always roaming. Mhm. So, they said, Wilhelmina, we are willing to wait. Well, take time. I told them, you are willing to wait now. Before you went to Kampala, you went to Mali, you went to Ghana, you went to Sierra Leone. Disaster. Yes, there's a lot of gold in Sierra Leone. When I mentioned about the PMMT, I told them you have to pay PMMT $150 when they use their facilities. Now, Mr. Baya, any African country, when you acid the gold, there is a cost. Mhm. Gold is not for free. There is a cost, especially if you go to Mali, the gold will be acid at DNGM. There is a cost, $100 to $150 per kilo just to taste the gold. You need to pay for it because you want to see the clarity of the gold. In Conakry, exactly the same. In Sierra Leone, exactly the same. There is no free in this world. Even my services is not for free when I travel with you. I'm giving you free services already for free because I'm explaining about necessary requirements that you are going to comply. Now, the procedure is always on every video. Mhm. Now, the buyer says, well, Amina, do you think you can give me a fixed price? I said, no, I cannot give you fixed price because you have not submitted your credential. When you submit your credential, I would determine which seller available stock because gold is selling very fast. And my seller, my head office, has their own existing customer and you are my new customer. That's the reason why the seller hired Wilhelmina because the head office is busy and the head office would not waste their time. You are just wasting your time talking to Wilhelmina, but Wilhelmina was just very, very simple lady and Wilhelmina listen to your problem. Well, the problem is on you, not from Wilhelmina. If you pay my extra service to travel with you, do not go behind my back because you are going to fail. African sellers are really hard to deal with. Really, very hard. Lucky that my seller highly regarded me because when I get angry, my language is very foul language. Mhm. Now, Mr. Buyer, you come back to Wilhelmina, isn't it? You didn't pay attention watching my previous video. You didn't pay attention reading the full corporate offer. It's very clear and simple. The seller would not provide you this kind of procedure. I summarize, I put everything so that when you travel, you know what you are buying. You know what you're gonna provide Wilhelmina in order for me to vouch you. A copy of your business registration, a copy of your importation license where they're going to be shipped, your passport copy, the proof of fund, your bank statement, and money laundering certificate. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. That is the reason why this 4 buyer went to Africa. And then 2 years ago, this French buyer went to Mali. 5 of them, they come back to Wilhelmina. They think that they can get gold because they want to get handsome profit. Their eyes is bigger than the profit. Mr. Buyer, you don't need to do that. You will get the profit. The first shipment, your profit is just minimal. But when you continue buying for 12 months contract, I can assure you your profit could be 80% for a long-term contract. Put your $1 million on term deposit, 3.5%. But when you buy gold every month or every 3 weeks, your profit on every bar is 9,000 or even 10,000. It depends on Wilhelmina because she's going to bargain on your behalf. Wilhelmina will negotiate on your behalf because I already validated you. I can see it that you are serious. Then I can submit that to my head office that let us give this buyer because this buyer is really very serious. You showed me your credential, and then when I receive your credential, we will send you a confirmation of your order and the contract, and you will receive the seller credential as well. I'm not going to release my seller's credential. Why? You're gonna float around. Look at what you have done. You've been floating around. You fly to Africa, and then when you encounter disaster, you come back. Hmm. You did come back to Wilhelmina today because you were being cheated, right? So that is the reason why, Mr. Buyer, you don't need to cut corner. What is $20,000 is peanuts. You make profit because I am here to negotiate on your behalf. You will get a profit. $20,000 is peanuts. This buyer from Italy, he said, Wilhelmina, I am willing to pay your extra service. I want you to travel next month. I said, no, I cannot. Because I already scheduled my holiday. And I told him, you have to wait next year, and I want you to secure money laundering certificate first. And if you have that, then while I'm in overseas, I might fly from Asia to Dubai. Then I'll take you to Sierra Leone or I'll take you to Conakry. He said that I want more quantity because I have big buyer. He's going to supply to his big buyer in Gold Soak. I said, yeah, we can do that. I will take you to, after Sierra Leone, I'll take you to Conakry, I'll take you to Mali, because the seller, sometimes they don't have enough supply because they have their existing customer. That is the reason why, Mr. Buyer, when you come for conference with Wilhelmina, you open your camera, don't say hi, hello, because I don't buy that. Do not say brother because I'm not a brother. Do I look like brother? Most of this joker broker, they call me brother, immediately is a red flag to Wilhelmina. When you do business, you need to introduce yourself properly. Hi Wilhelmina, I watch your video. I am Mr. So-and-so. I came from Netherlands. I came from Italy. I came from Brisbane or Melbourne. I would like to discuss business with you, Wilhelmina. Yeah. My question is, okay, you found me on my YouTube channel, right? So what did you learn out of that? That is my question. Oh, Wilhelmina, I want to buy gold but CIF. Then you're a red flag. Do you understand what is CIF? Cost, insurance, and freight only? You cannot afford to pay the gold. You can only afford to pay shipping cost and insurance. The gold cannot be given to you unless without export documentation, as a report, attestation, ownership, custom clearance, and commercial invoice. Without that, you wouldn't get it. So therefore, you are trying to leverage the gold. Gold is not for leveraging. Don't you know that gold is king? Gold is money. I will repeat again. He who has the gold makes the rules. You don't need to make the rules. The government is making the rules. Why? The seller has to follow the golden rules of the government, because when the seller sell the gold, he has to remit taxes to his government because he is paying taxes every year. And you are going to pay the gold whether you like it or not. You need to show that you have $1 million in your bank account, because Wilhelmina wouldn't believe it. Then you're gonna say, bring it a sample. To me, you're really crook. Gold is not a sample. Gold is money. You're buying money to make money. Gold has many uses. Can make into false state, can make into spare parts on mobile phone, industrial, medical uses, and jewelry, and 99.99. Mr. Buyer, you are not buying refined. You are buying unrefined. If you're buying refined, let's 3%. If you're buying unrefined, 5%. When you pay my extra service, I will give you 8% tax included. Which one you like? So, determine that, Mr. Buyer. I cannot give you the fixed price because the gold, it fluctuates every half an hour. Now, I'm going to give you a scenario just today. Now, today, the price of gold is 4,195.73 per ounce. Multiply that to 32.15. I look at on the screen. 1 kilogram is 134,926.87 on refined. That is the selling price. You are buying unrefined. From 134,908.5 less 5%, or let's say less 8%, 134,890.64 less 8%. Your profit is 10,791 per kilo. Your profit, minus 134.88 again. See? 88, 2.14. Our selling price. This is the selling price per kilo. Tax included. 124,090.89. Now, Mr. Buyer, you're gonna say, oh, too expensive. Well, you're buying expensive item. This is not for joker broker. Joker broker, they come to Wilhelmina. And I don't deal joker broker no more. I had enough dealing with joker broker. I had enough. I prefer to deal directly to you, Mr. Buyer, because I am going to renegotiate the price on your behalf to my head office if you convince Wilhelmina. If you can show me your credential. Your credential will signify that you are really serious buyer. So you don't need to be scared because your credential is intact. I'm the one who will review it, just like when you apply for a job, right? Any job, you need to have a resume. Now, I'm the manager. You apply for the job. I have to look at your resume. How long you've been working? What is your experience? Okay? When I apply a job many years ago, I have to prepare my resume, my qualification, my educational background, etc., etc., in order for me to be accepted. I was accepted because my resume sophisticated. I have an experience. I'm a university graduate. I speak different languages. And my experience. When I was interviewed in the company, the director was saying to me, Wilhelmina, what can you offer on my company? Well, I answer is very clear and simple. I can offer my services to your company. My knowledge is more important to your company. I was hard. Now going back and buying gold. Mr. Buyer, what you can show Wilhelmina about your credential before I'm going to consider that you are a buyer. Your credential, your resume is your business registration, a copy. That is your resume. A copy of your importation license, that is your resume. Your passport copy, that is your resume. The proof of fund that you have $1 million, that is your resume. A money laundering certificate signify that you are a clean and real buyer. That is your resume. Does that make sense, Mr. Buyer? I already explained that on every video on my YouTube channel. I have 4,000 viewers so far. Every video I explain it, but the same procedure. I just explain it now because I had a conference today. A lot of them. So, Wilhelmina, there was a potential inquiry late afternoon, around 5 o'clock in the afternoon, because my virtual office always open from 9 o'clock until midnight. So, Wilhelmina, I haven't seen you on LinkedIn. I said, oh, that's a good question. He said, Wilhelmina, why I haven't seen you on LinkedIn? And I told him, I get out from LinkedIn. Why? Because LinkedIn is to connect people. There's a lot of joker broker on LinkedIn. They're fishing around. Okay? And they don't like my guts. They don't like the way I explain because they wanted to cut corner. LinkedIn is good site to connect. LinkedIn is a professional site to connect people. But LinkedIn has been abused by time waster, joker broker. I called him joker broker. One time I was being attacked by a gentleman from United Kingdom. He was being very friendly to me. And he was really very boastful. So I told him, can you open your camera? During the time, he was only 55 years old during the time. And he said he's married to a Ghanaian. He said that he owned refinery in Ghana. When I was in Ghana, I went to East Lagoon. He doesn't have any refinery. He's a boastful guy from UK. He's a Pumi. So suddenly, he's arguing with me. And I told him, you don't need to argue with me. Because he has so many terms and conditions. And I told him, it wouldn't work. Seller want cash. Seller doesn't want to give his gold for credit. And then he started to attack me and attack me and attack me. So I was just lay down. And suddenly, his letter of interest was floating around and landed into my hand. And I sent him a message. Bingo, your letter of interest was floating around. I'm sorry, mate. You're not qualified. He get angry. Okay? And I told him, that is the reason why your wife left you, because you're arrogant. An arrogant man would not last with Wilhelmina. You don't need to become arrogant. If you didn't meet the criteria, so be it. Accept it. And he looked like 75 years old to me. He's arrogant with a long beard. He's a gypsy. If you're in business, you don't need to be a gypsy. Because I wouldn't believe it that you're a buyer. He's a joker broker pretending to be a buyer. He registered his company in London. What a piece of paper. You come to Wilhelmina for interview. Mr. Buyer, if I called you, I want to see you live video call conference. Because when I interview you live video conference, it signifies because I can read our conversation. I am using business psychology. Right and there, if you cannot answer my question, then I'm going to tell you, I'm sorry, good luck, have a nice day. Yeah, because you already knew my platform. Why you keep on asking question? Just be straightforward. Wilhelmina, I am the buyer. I watch your video. I'm very surprised. I lost money because I didn't follow. Well, that is your fault. Wilhelmina, here's my resume. Wilhelmina, here's my credential. I want to buy gold 50 kilos. Okay. Then I'll submit that. I will determine which seller I'm going to take you. Because I have to plan for you. Right? And you need to be invited. You cannot just travel there. Oh, Wilhelmina, I'm in Conakry. Wilhelmina, I'm in Sierra Leone. Wilhelmina, I'm in Mali. I need the gold. I'm sorry, I wouldn't do that. That is the instruction of my seller. Once you were being invited, you are exclusively company guest. Yes? exclusively, because we're gonna exchange information. You will receive the seller mining license, export license, etc., etc. And I will help you which seller I'm going to put you. Yes, that's all it matters. So can you understand, Mr. Buyer? That's the reason why I'm here, because I just want to share with you. Going back to this 25 foreigners has been arrested in Ghana, thinking they can get gold hand carry. Bingo. They were being arrested because the seller didn't declare that to the government. In Ghana, you wouldn't be able to buy gold. You'd buy gold directly to the government office, 1.5% discount. They only base on the world market. You're lucky that Wilhelmina is very kind and generous for you. But you need to convince, because I need to convince my head office, come on, let's give this buyer a leeway. So that is how it works, Mr. Buyer. Once again, Mr. Buyer, I shall see you next year. And a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. My head office would be closing December 20. But my virtual office, my live office, always open. Even though I'm gonna have a holiday in Asia, you can reach me, you can contact me, and then I will interview you when I return back to Australia. Then the contract would be ready for you. Then we can travel together if you are willing to pay my extra service. Now, Mr. Buyer, you're gonna say, oh, too expensive. Okay, you don't need to pay my extra service. You travel 5%. And if there is an issue, don't call Wilhelmina, because there would be. African seller is very hard to deal with. It doesn't matter if you have a contract, he will reject you. Now, the weakness of the African seller, Mr. Buyer, if he doesn't like you, he wouldn't pick up the phone. He will switch off the phone. But if I'm with you, the seller would not switch off the phone, because I'm gonna tell them, hey guys, I'm going to blog you if you don't service the buyer. Now, there was a buyer, father and son. He was begging me not to publish him. He go behind my back. But I have all his record with me. And I send him my lawyer's letter, because he harassed me. You don't need to harass me. Why? Because you go behind my back and you think that you can get gold for cheap price. And when I took him to Africa, he was dealing with so many sellers. You know, a seller in Africa, they will tell you, be careful, be careful. Be careful of Wilhelmina. Why they gonna say that? Be careful with Wilhelmina. Why? Because they wanted to brainwash you. So that was the reason why they were scared. They hired security guard, right? Because they saw the movie about Blood Diamond. And when they hired a security guard from Israel, they paid the $30,000. And when the security guard came to the lobby in the hotel, he's just like a gypsy. I told him, why did you hire the security guard? I'm a woman. I always travel to Africa. I don't need a security guard. I am your security guard because the seller will believe you. The seller trusts Wilhelmina. I'm taking you to the office. But he hired the security guard, not knowing he was been dealing with so many sellers. What happened? They go behind my back. And they don't want to talk to me. Can you imagine that? Exactly the same was Eric Blasco in Ghana from Mexico. They don't want to talk to me. First, they're gonna meet my seller, and then they have a devious idea, like this buyer from United Kingdom. They have a devious idea. What happened? Disaster. Mr. Buyer, if I'll take you to Africa, you don't need to have a devious idea. Because you are going to be with me. I'll take you to the office based on the contract. And if you're not happy, and then I will find a backup for you. Because I have a lot of sellers in my hand. but one at a time. You don't need to be devious. Like this father and son from United Kingdom. They are devious. What happened? Disaster. You don't need to be devious. You don't need to window shop. I take you, I carry you, and why you're scared? In the beginning, he was very friendly to me. At the end, he was being devious. You don't need to do that. You don't have any manner. You are a gentleman. I'm a woman. I'm very professional. And this father and son, disaster. But at least he didn't lose money. Yeah, this father and son, he didn't lose money. And my extra service is non-refundable, Mr. Buyer. Let us be clear. Whether you'd go behind my back, it's your cost, because the 20,000 is non-refundable. You mean to say I'm going to ask the airline to refund my ticket? You mean to say I have to ask the hotel to refund the ticket because you were being devious to me? No, you're not. It is your fault why you've been devious. So being a devious, you failed. Mr. Buyer, any buyer, when I take you to Africa, you don't need to be devious. Come with me, deal with me, because I'm helping you. I'm helping you to get good deal. If you cannot afford $20,000, okay, 5% you trouble. And don't call me, okay, if the seller will reject you and you keep on bargain. There was an Indian 3 years ago. He went to the office. I was listening to them. And the seller said, good luck. The door is open for you. There's a lot. Mr. Buyer, you're lucky to meet Wilhelmina on this video. You are lucky. Believe me. Guaranteed you're lucky. But don't go behind my back. Don't be devious. Maybe you're criminal. If you're devious, to me you're criminal. Your mind is criminal. You don't need to be criminal on your mind. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening and Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. We'll catch up no matter whenever I go. I would be away next month. You can still communicate with me. Thank you and have a nice evening and good morning to you, my dear.